Now the next exercise of the trigonometry is depending upon the angle, that is 30, 60, 90 and 45 degree. Okay, for this type of angle we have each trigonometric ratio will take a specified value. So we will draw the 30, 60, 90 and 45 degree 0 degree for the trigonometric function, that is trigonometric ratio. Okay, so we draw the table. So in the table we have, first write the ratio. Okay, then you will write the angles. So angles we have 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. Okay, now the ratios are, we have sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Okay, so there is a one method how to draw the table. So we count this number, this is first angle, second angle, third angle, fourth, fifth. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So start with the 0, you name this as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is for just for the numbering. It is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. What is the maximum number? 4. So you will divide this maximum number 4 by each number 4, and this is also by 4. Okay, then square root of this answer, that is 4, 0 upon 4 will give you 0. This is 1 upon 4, this will give you 1 upon 2. This will be as it is and this will give you 1. Now the square root of this answer you will write in the sign column. Okay, so square root of 0 is 0. Okay, square root of 1 upon 4 will be 1 upon 2. Square root of 1 upon 2 is 1 upon root 2, and 3 upon 4 will become root 3 upon 2, and the square root of 1 will become 1. Okay, now for cos table we write in this direction, that is start from 1 and in this way. So that is, this is become 1 and this will come here. You change the order only, 3, and this will remain as 1 upon root 3, root 2 sorry, and this term will become 1 upon 2 and this is 0. Okay, now for tan theta, you have to take the ratio of this 0 upon 1, that is 0 upon 1 will give you 0. Okay, this upon this will give you 1 upon root 3, and this upon this will give you 1. Okay, this term divided by same term, so that will here will give, will get root 3, and this term will give you not defined, that means it will not exist, or you can write the infinity. Now for cot theta, again you change the order, that means you start from here. So this term will become not defined. Okay, then we have root 3, then we have 1, then we have 1 upon root 3, and then we have 0. That means we have to go in the anti-clockwise direction. Now as we know that the cos theta is a reciprocal of sec theta, so we, for the sec theta we will take the reciprocal of this column. So one reciprocal of 1 will give you 1, reciprocal of this term will give you 2 upon root 3, reciprocal of this will become root 2, and reciprocal of this will give you 2, and reciprocal of 0 you will get not defined. Okay, now cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, so you take the 0, reciprocal of 0 is not defined, and the reciprocal of this will give you 2. This is reciprocal of this will give you root 2, and the reciprocal of this column will give you 2 upon root 3, and the reciprocal of 1 will give you 1. Okay, now suppose this is a table how to draw the, suppose I want to identify sine 45. So this is my sine and this is 45 angle, so my value will be 1 upon root 2. So in the calculation part I will substitute in place of sine 45 1 upon root 2. Okay, go through this video again and again and try to prepare the table, because it is difficult to remember the values of the trigonometric functions. Okay, so try to draw the table in the exam. In the last page you can draw this table and you can solve the sums. Okay, in the next video I will solve the examples based on this. Okay, thank you.